So this is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can install ChatGPT to your iPhone 17, 17 Pro Max or any other version of Apple device. For this case you have to go to App Store. Here we go inside. One most important thing for downloading anything from App Store, you have to have an Apple account. If you don't know how to make an Apple account, if you don't have an Apple account, check the video description to make a brand new Apple ID. So in this case now here you have searching option, tap here and type ChatGPT. Here we go at the top, you see here, click this one. AI chat assistant, chat AI bot. This is not ChatGPT. This one is ChatGPT. The middle, hit here, you see the button get. Press 2 times the power button, Face ID, and it's loading. You see, we have to wait till the downloading and installation has done. So it's done. Now it's telling me to open option here. Not gonna open from here. You see here, if you don't see here at the phone, you can go to apps library. At the top you will see I hit this button to open. It's loading. Now welcome to ChatGPT. In this case I'm gonna show you, if you don't have any account, how to create an account. So here at the bottom, hit continue button. You can use it without having account. So here you can write, what is the capital of the USA? Click here. Washington DC, simple answer. So if you don't have account, how you can create account? So here at the top you have sign up button, click this one. You can continue with your Apple account and also continue with your Google account. You have sign up and login option. So if you have Apple account here, just click continue with Apple account. Here, sign with Apple ID, sign up Apple in fast, easy, more private way. So this is the fastest way. You can go with the Gmail account or you can personally do that. So as you are in iPhone, so use your Apple ID, hit continue button here. If you sign with your Apple account, here my Apple account would appear, all the information with my Apple account. I hit continue button. I select one of my accounts. Yeah, everything is fine. Then hit continue button. You have to put the passcode of your phone. Continue with passcode. It's done. So I'm connected to my new Apple account without any problem. You can do this. Here at the bottom you see Harry Jeffrey. They make one account for me. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.